Morning everyone. So I'm Leona Rain Belaro from Batch 4. So yung topic po natin today ay nagugulat ba ang Diyos or omniscience. At ang scripture po na ibinahagi sa atin ni Pastor Russell today ay Hebrews chapter 4 verse 13. So, syempre basahin po muna natin yung meaning ng omniscience. Omniscience is a doctrine that God fully knows Himself and all things, both actual and possible, in one simple and eternal act. This means God never learns, forgets, or discovers anything. His knowledge is infinite, immediate, and perfect. He knows the past, present, and future without limitation. He sees the end from the beginning and understands every thought, motive, and outcome. This should humble us, comfort us, and lead us to worship. God is never surprised, never caught off guard, and His knowledge serves His wisdom, and His wisdom serves His perfect will. So, dito po, base po sa nabasa ko, at of course, sa kay Pastor Russell, ng Panginoong Diyos po, yung laman o yung kakayahan ng Panginoong Diyos ay hindi niya natututunan, hindi biglang pumapasok lang sa isip niya, hindi niya pinag-aaralan, kasi lahat ng bagay sa mundong to, lahat ng pag-aaral, lahat ng bagay na kailangan natin alamin ay alam niya na. So, automatically, alam niya na talaga. So, kaya nga, diba, sabi dito na His knowledge is infinite, immediate, and perfect. So, wala lang kahit anong explanation kasi perfect na yung lahat at alam na lahat ng Panginoong Diyos yun. At hindi na kailangan ng explanation sa lahat ng bagay na yun kasi automatically lahat yun alam niya na eh. Sabi sa teachings 10 is God's knowledge is complete and perfect. O diba, complete. God knows even the secret places of our hearts. Alam ng Panginoon lahat ng meron sa puso natin. And God's omniscience is a source of comfort. And sabi naman dito sa application, confess your sin because nothing is hidden. Walang matatago sa Panginoong Diyos. Kahit anong kasalanan pa yan. Kaya mas mabuti na ihingi na natin kagad ang tawad sa Lord dahil alam naman ang Lord yan yung una pa lang. Bago pa natin gawin, alam niya na kagad kung ano yung gagawin natin. Trust God's plan. He sees what you cannot. Believe that you are fully known and still fully loved. So, dito no, ang ganda ng pangalawa na trust God's plan. He sees what you cannot. Dahil sa lahat ng plano natin sa buhay natin, hindi man matupad yun ay may mas maganda pang plano ang Panginoong Diyos. Kaya dapat lagi tayo magtiwala sa lahat ng plano na gusto niya gawin sa life natin. So that's all everyone. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day ahead for tomorrow. Bye!